We're going to be changing out the fourth pressure switch for 2004 Acura TL. This is the part number for the fourth pressure switch. I changed out the third and the fourth like 4 years ago. Now the part number is slightly different, and the color of the pressure switch is slightly different. So you can change it two ways. You can pop the hood, remove the battery, but I think that's more of a hassle. So what I did, we're gonna do it through the wheel fender on the driver's side, and we're gonna jack up the car, and this is where you wanna jack it up at. And then we got a jack stand, we got some rag and some gloves, and if you don't have a adjustable wrench, you can grab these pliers right here, but just be careful not to strip it. All right, we took the wheel off, placed the jack stand right there for safety. Now the switch that we're changing is this top black one right here. That's the fourth pressure switch. Now the third pressure switch is right here. Now to remove this, you will have to remove this cover, 10mm socket with a ratchet, unplug this, and then grab your pliers or channel lock and slowly turn it up so you're turning it counterclockwise. And then when you change out the third pressure switch, the fluid comes out like not as much because it's much closer to the transmission. So when you remove the fourth one, you're not gonna have any fluid that's coming out. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug it. Okay, once we unplug it, now we're gonna go ahead and grab the pliers. All right, so you wanna carefully place it right there. Make sure it's locked and it's flat, and just hold on tight and move it upwards, so counterclockwise. See, just like that. Now you can turn the rest by hand, but as a safety precaution, we're going to grab a rag and we're going to place it under there, just in case. And be careful, you do not want to lose the crush washer. The crush washer is going to give it a nice snug fitment when you put it back together, and it's going to prevent any transmission fluid leak. See, and this is how it looks like. Now I just took the new one out the package. Now this is the updated one, and this is like 4 to 6 years ago. As you can look, the color is different and the size is different. But let's look at the opening. It's pretty big, and then this one is a little bit smaller, so I have no idea why it's different color and the opening is like different sizes. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna move this plastic protective piece right here, like that. Now we're gonna grab the washer. Now I recommend getting a new washer, but I didn't get a chance to order it, because I wanted to change this. But in a couple of days, I'm going to order like a whole bunch of crush washer. Then you're gonna place it over like that. Now make sure the washer is on it, and then we're gonna slide it back in place. Once it's back in place, then just turn it clockwise. And we're gonna grab the pliers, and we're gonna tighten it by hand. That's one, just like that. You don't want to over tighten it, and there's no like torque spec for it. So once you tighten everything, now we can plug the switch back up. Like that. Push it all the way down. When you hear a click, that means it's you plug it in correctly and it's all the way in. Just like that. And then just put everything back, and you know, that's it. It's simple, easy job to do. You don't have to bring it to a dealership or a mechanic. You just do it yourself. 5-10 minute job. The longest part about changing this is actually taking off the wheels, well, jacking up the car, putting the jack stand under, and taking off the wheels. But once you get access to it, it doesn't take that hard to replace it. So this is how you change out the pressure switch for, well, the fourth pressure switch for a 2004 to 2008 Acura TL.